Hi, I'm Alan.
And I'm Emily.
This fall we'll be celebrating 4 years using Talon at Kirkwood.
Wow, it really seems just like yesterday.
I know, right? And at least once a year we like to put out an episode featuring some of the new functionality and highlighting lesser used but still powerful features.
So today, let's discuss Bongo, intelligent agents, and the new rubric experience. And we'll finish with a few features that are coming soon.
Bongo is a rebrand of UCU, which you may recall provides a virtual classroom and video assignment tool.
These tools are integrated within Talon and can be added through the existing activities menu. Even if they aren't existing, don't worry. You can still add new video assignments and virtual classroom meetings through that link.
The virtual classroom probably isn't used much here at Kirkwood since we usually recommend using Zoom for such occasions. But that said, Bongo's direct integration in Talon might make this an attractive option.
You can create a virtual meeting with 100 participants maximum with up to 7 webcams enabled at one time. Virtual classrooms come equipped with a whiteboard, screen or document sharing, and chat. Very practical for virtual office hours or a quick review session with students.
Sessions can also be recorded and shared with the whole class.
Bongo also offers the video assignment tool. I've used this feature in my online speech class. Students can create videos, upload them to Bongo video assignments, and then provide feedback on other student videos.
Instructors can provide time-stamped feedback directly on the video as video or text, and providing contextualized feedback exactly where it makes the most sense to see it.
The grading requires a bit more manual effort on the part of the instructor, and unfortunately you're unable at this time to attach a rubric to the video.
Well, let's move on to intelligent agents. So intelligent agents are one of those lesser known tools that can really be powerful.
You can use agents to send automated emails to students based on certain criteria. For example, an email could be sent when a student earns, say, an 80% or above on an exam that says, "Great job on exam 1."
Or you could send a reminder email the day before an assignment is due to students that have not yet completed that assignment.
If this feels impersonal to you, you can also add replacement strings to personalize the message.
Yeah. Replacement strings are codes that are added to the message to insert a student name, email, cane number, assignment title, and that kind of thing.
And so you could add first name replacement string to have the email include the first name of the student to make the message much more personal.
One of the newest features for 2019 was the revised rubric creation experience.
When you attach a rubric to an assignment or discussion, it will display on the assignment and discussion and under the grades, so that students can easily see their completed rubrics with feedback.
Yeah, the new rubric creation experience eliminates the old tabs and allows you to create the rubric on one screen. The settings are found in the drop-down menus across the top, and you can type in directly into the levels, criteria, descriptions, and feedback directly on the rubric itself. When you are done, just save it and publish it.
Some of the other updates that have been made include improvements to the student quizzing experience, providing a more full screen experience, and answers will now auto-save.
A new quiz creation tool will be rolling out in the next couple of months that should make creating quizzes a little faster, more consistent process across all question types.
Assignments also have some new types, including an in-person or on-paper assignments. These allow you to create the assignment within Talon, tie it to a grade item, and provide feedback on it without the student actually submitting anything digitally in Talon.
And speaking of feedback on assignments, coming sometime this fall, you'll be able to create annotations directly on assignment submissions. We know this is something many instructors have asked for, and we will have another episode highlighting these features once we have access.
Thanks for watching.